Hello everyone, my name is Joanne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to discuss one of the most common math problems that appear in the civil service exam. Our video is all about solving the rate, base, and percentage problem. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get updated in an upcoming videos. So if you're ready, let's get started. So what is the percentage, the rate, and the base? Percentage is the part of the whole followed by the word is. Rate is the ratio of amount to the base written with a percent sign. And base is the whole or total amount following the word of. How to identify the percentage, rate, and the base? So in this example, 150 is 20% of 750. Which one here is the percentage, the rate, and the base? So, according to the definition, percentage is part of the whole. So that means percentage is a whole number. So, 150 is the percentage. And one thing to remember on how to identify the percentage is that it is always followed by the word is. So percentage is always followed by the word is. And here in this example, 150 is the percentage. Now, the rate is always followed with a percent sign. So in this example, the rate is 20%. And finally, the base is the total number. So 750 is the base here. Once again, in this example, percentage is 150, the rate is 20%, and 750 is the base. Now, let's go next to the second example. 5% of 200 is 10. So try to analyze this mathematical sentence. Once again, percentage is part of the whole. So the percentage here is 10 and the rate is always followed by percent sign. So rate here is 5% and the total number attached with the word of is 200. So base is 200 here. Once again, rate is the 5%, 200 is the base, and percentage is equal to 10. Now, in solving the rate and the base and the percentage, we need to remember some formulas in this in solving this kind of math problems. So one way to remember the formula in finding the percentage, the base, and the rate is through this diagram. So here the triangle is divided into three parts. The upper portion is the percentage, the lower portion has the rate and the base. So in order to find the percentage, since percentage is above the triangle and rate and the base is at the bottom, the formula that we're going to use in finding the percentage is multiplication. So percentage is equal to rate times base. Now for the formula of the rate and the base. In order to find the rate, we are going to use the formula of division. So rate is equal to percentage over base. And finally, for the formula of the base, we are also using the division as um, the operation in finding the base. So base is equal to percentage over the rate. Let's recall again the formulas. Percentage is equal to rate times base. Rate is equal to percentage over base. And base is equal to percentage over R or the rate. Now let's try to solve a problem, and we will apply the formulas in solving the rate, the base, and the percentage problems. For sample problem number 1, what is 15% of 200? First thing to do here is to identify first which one is the percentage, the rate, and the base. And in this example, we need to divide the sentence into three parts. As we recall the definition of the rate, the base, and the percentage, percentage is part of the whole and always followed by the word is. So, the first part of the sentence is here. What is? And then, as we can recall again, rate is always followed with a percent sign. So the second part of the sentence is here. And finally, the total number following the word of is the base. So the third part of the sentence here is of 200. So once again, in solving the rate, the percentage, and the base problems, in order to find what is the percentage, the rate, and the base, we need to divide the sentence into three parts. And in this example, the three parts are what is, 15%, and up to 100. There. Once again, percentage is the missing part, 15% is the rate, and 200 is the base. So in order to solve this kind of problem, we need to identify first what are the given in this problem. So once again, percentage is missing, the rate is 15%, and we need to convert it into decimal. So the rate here is equal to 0.15, and the base is equal to 200. And as we recall the formula of the percentage is equal to rate times base. Then we will substitute the values of the rate and the base, and we will use the formula here. So percentage is equal to rate times base. 0.15 times 200 is equal to 30. So 30 here is the final answer. Now let's try the sample problem number 2. 25% of what number is 50? Again, we need to divide the sentence into three parts. The number followed with a percent sign is the rate. So this is the first part, and the number following the word of is the base. So of what number is the second part, and the number followed by the word is the percentage. So here 25% is the rate. Of what number is the base, and 50 is the percentage. So there, 25% is the rate, the base is missing, and the percentage is 50. So what is the formula of the base? So we call the diagram, the triangle. Base is equal to percentage over rate. So the given here in this problem, rate is equal to 25%, and we need to convert it into decimal point. So rate is equal to 0.25, and the base is missing, and percentage is equal to 50. So the formula for the base is percentage over rate, and substitute the values. Base is equal to 50 divided by 0.25, and the base is equal to 200. 200 is the final answer. So for our last example, 20 is what percent of 40? Again, we need to divide the sentence into three parts. The number followed by the word is the percentage, and the number followed with a percent sign is the rate, and the number following the word of is the base. So the missing value here is the rate, and the formula for the rate is percentage over base. So here, once again, the percentage is equal to 20, the rate is the missing part, and the base is equal to 40. So in order to solve this problem, we need to list down first the given values. Percentage is equal to 20, 30 is missing, and the base is 40. Solution here for the rate is equal to percentage divided by the base. Then substitute the values. Rate is equal to 20 over 40, which is equal to 0.5, and then move two places to the right and put a percent sign. So the rate here is equal to 50%. 50% is the final answer. Now it's your turn to review what you have learned in this video. So how much have you learned in this video? Let's test your knowledge now. So prepare paper and pen and take time to review what you have learned, especially the formulas. And if you're ready to solve, let's proceed to the next slide. So are you ready? Let's begin. For question number 1, what is 7% of 325? What is 7% of 325? Solve this problem manually in 30 seconds. 30 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up. Now we proceed to question number two. 480 is 60% of what number? 480 is 60% of what number? 30 seconds starts now. Stop. Now for question number three. What percent of what 120 is 40? What percent of 120 is 40? 30 seconds starts now. Stop. Question number four. 150 is 75% of what number? 150 is 75% of what number? 30 seconds starts now. Stop. Question number five. What is 60% of 250? What is 60% of 250? 30 seconds starts now. Stop. Now for the second part of this exam, you will try to solve this problem within 60 seconds. For question number 6, in a chemistry class of 30 students, 5 received a grade of A. What percent of the students received A's? In a chemistry class of 30 students, 5 received a grade of A. What percent of the students received A's? 60 seconds starts now. Stop. Question number 7. Paul invested $50,000 in a time deposit. What interest will he earn in 1 year if the interest rate is 3.5%? Paul invested $50,000 in a time deposit. What interest will he earn in 1 year if the interest rate is 3.5%? 60 seconds starts now. Stop. Question number 8. In a shipment of 750 parts, 75 were found to be defective. What percent of the parts were faulty? In a shipment of 750 parts, 75 were found to be defective. What percent of the parts were faulty? 60 seconds starts now. Stop. Question number 9. Jan has a 5% commission on all her sales. If she sells $40,000 worth of merchandise in 1 month, what commission will she earn? John has a 5% commission on all her sales. If she sells $40,000 worth of merchandise in 1 month, what commission will she earn? 60 seconds starts now. Stop. Finally, for question number 10, a can of mixed nuts contains 80% peanuts. If she if the can holds 16 ounces, how many ounces of peanuts does it contain? A can of mixed nuts contains 80% peanuts. If the can holds 16 ounces, how many ounces of peanuts does it contain? Your 60 seconds starts now. Time's up. Are you done? So if you're finished, let's check your answers now. So here are the solutions for question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 8. Question number 9. And question number 10. So here is the answer key for part 1. Question number 1 to 5 is worth 5 points each. Part 2 is worth 15 points each. So what's your score? Share it now in the comment section of this video. Like and follow us in our Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe now in our YouTube channel. Once again, I hope you learned a lot in this video. And don't forget to subscribe now in our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get updated in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.